Alright guys, I'm out here. It's pretty calm today. We're gonna try to drift on some open shell. The water looks pretty good, and we're gonna get out here and try to see what happens, okay? So I'm gonna get some croakers and try to show y'all how to hook them and how to work these baits, and we'll see what happens. Alright, so I'm gonna set up my net, get that out, get the bait net. Let's see here. Got the bait net. Got a few croakers in here. Some of them are dead. Let some of them go. Why is that plugged up? Don't know. I'll go ahead and fill the pump though. Get some of these croakers and see what happens, man. I'm gonna get out here and try to get a few. Turn the aerator off. Anyways, I'm using a custom fish sticks rod today with a Lew's Classic Pro reel. Got a chatterweight, about 12 inches of leader line. You take the croaker and you hook it in the butt like that. And then basically, I'm just gonna throw this out and let some line out. See what happens, guys. Fishing by myself today, just coming out here, checking it out. Get a few fish for dinner. That's basically it. Got a fish on. Got a little active male, guys. Oh, there's two of them. Y'all saw them, huh? They grouped up together. I know y'all saw it. We're gonna go ahead and get the net and be safe. I don't want to lose fish on camera now. I'm just trying to make some dinner right here happen, guys. That's all. So there goes one. Get the little pebble and throw it. I go one. Get some more bait and try to do it again. So like I said, you just kind of hook it in the back like that. Make sure it's untangled before you cast. And give it a little quick lob. And just let some line out. Letting the line out, guys. See? I'm giving a little jiggle every now and then. Line out, a little jiggle, and I'm stopping it. A little line out, a little jiggle. I think these are little males staging up out here on these spawning beds. Males come before the females a lot of times. Alright. Gave it some line now. And every now and then you'll feel your croaker fluttering. And you just want to give it a little jiggle. And you know, these trout, they'll give you the quick pop. You know, sometimes they'll hit it if they're being competitive over other fish. But when it's kind of slow, you know, you just gotta jiggle. And then you get a quick thump. And then that be your bite, man. Sometimes they'll hit it and swim towards the boat. Sometimes they'll hit it and swim it left, right. So it just depends. So just know it's a very distinctive thump. When you feel your croaker fluttering, Sometimes it's a good sign because that means he's nervous. Like something's looking at him, something's following him, he sees something, or you know, a bigger fish. There it goes, I felt the thump, and my line got kind of slack. So a fish might have took a swipe at him, or we'll see. I'll give it some time. I'll wait a little bit before yep, that's my bait getting nervous. Bait getting nervous, girl. Bait got nervous. Give it a little bit more line. Give it a few twitches. A little line. Little twitches. Lock it in. There it is. There it is. There he is on top. Y'all see it? I wasn't for sure. There he is. Another male, acrobatic male. Okay, he's right here. Oh. That's a bigger trout, guys. I'm just taking my time. He's diving deep, diving deep. Okay. Oh, don't go nowhere. Okay, that's two. Three more and I'm gonna go home. Which y'all can see, I mean, it's not fast and furious, but it's okay. You can hear him grunting. I heard him grunting. Showed me he was see, little male. That's a male. Give another bait. Give another bait. All right. All right, got a little active little croaker, huh? Go find me a female. I'll just lob it out, let line out, give it a couple twitches. Sometimes as you let line out, those trout will hit it and it'll take a lot of line out. So what you want to do is don't freak out, raise the rod tip, click it, and he'll basically hook himself. All right, let's see. So I'm letting line out, give it a little twitch, let some line out, and my croaker's swimming off. He's nice and healthy. Let some line out, give it a little twitch. He freaked out for a minute. Got a little twitch. I'm gonna go ahead and close it. Let's see what we got. These fish need to settle down in the ice box. They need to settle down. Let some line out. Tap, tap. Let it be a little line out. Tap, tap. you know, and it's not a, okay, we got one. He just bit. Oh, he let go as soon as I try to set the hook. So I'm just gonna tap it, and I'm gonna let the line out because we're drifting away. And I'm gonna let some line so that bait could stay in that area, so them fish, if there was multiples or if it's the same one, he could come and find it again. Okay, so I'm just hit it. See? All right, we got the fish, guys. See? That's it. He's fighting. That's 3. Once I get her in. Yeah, that's the trout. I see her on top. I see her on top. There she is. Get my little net. Don't go nowhere, fishy. Okay. See, and the hook just pops out, man, because they mouth is soft. These fish are kind of skinny. They're kind of hungry today. It's another male. They're about the same size. Get another bait, get 2 more. And then I got a limit of trout. So I'm letting line out and I had a bite. There we go. Fish on. Not easy. So that's number 4. I need 1 more and I'm done, man. I don't even know how long I've been out here. I'm just gonna flip this one in. Oh, that's a little one. Should I let it go? I don't know. Yeah, that's a little male too. Yeah, I'm gonna let this one go, guys. I'll get another one. A bigger one. I'm gonna let that one go. So I got my limit of 5 and back at the boat ramp. So either way it goes, I'm gonna show y'all what we caught, and man, y'all stay tuned for the next one. And on the next trip, we'll go ahead and announce who I'm gonna be taking out on the raffle. So I appreciate y'all guys. Thanks. Man, so today wasn't a bad day. Hope y'all guys learned something on how to fish croakers. And if y'all got any questions, feel free to put it in the comment. I'll try to get to most of them. And I'll be announcing the winner for the next trip, so on the next video, so y'all stay tuned.